Okay, kiddies, we're going to separate the different alloys and cash in on this gold. I'm going to take this iron off, steel from the brass, separating brass and copper. Put the steel pipe inside a brass fitting. I gotta take the handle off too, because that's foreign metal. That's not brass. Some heat on it. And we'll see how this goes. Tap it a little bit. Oops, that's good. Turn the torch off. Who's that? Okay. Put it back in. That's hot. Just be careful. Get a pipe wrench. You wusses. Okay. This is probably the last of my father's fittings. There it comes. See it, class? See it? Whoa! What happened? Watch out, that hot? Nah. There. That's steel. That don't belong anywhere but in another pile. Now you gotta get the handle off. That's a simple little nut. That's brass, the nut, but the handle's metal. Regular. I mean, just hot metal. This is a brass fitting. There it is. Pile of brass. So if you follow me in here for a second, I'll show you the piles. There's the copper, all separated, sorted. Registering about 45 pounds. Brass. This has got to be about, I don't know, we can weigh it right now. Would you like to do that? Okay. This is about 45 pounds there of copper. The brass. Oh! 40 pounds of brass. And that's that. Then tomorrow I'll take the bright brass away. This is all bright brass. Oh, shut up, mother. That's just a stupid seller.